Morning, everyone. Fed's preferred inflation measure shows mixed readings. Personal income spending fall. September rate cut remains likely. So we're under VWAP. Under VWAP right off the bat. Previous day's open and pre-market low are about the same. Looking at 541.44. 541.44. So we just bounced off of it. Looking at the news. USA PCE price index for June 2.5 versus 2.5. Estimated 2.6. MOM, so month over month for June, 0.1%. Prior 0. Personal spending, month over month for June, 0.3 versus 0.3. Expected 0.4. US core PCE price index year over year, 2.6 versus 2.5. Estimated 2.6. US core PCE price index month over month, 0.2 versus 0.2, expected at 0.1. Exchange traded funds, equity futures, higher pre-Bell Friday ahead of key inflation data. Amazon tests AI chip in Texas lab, aims to cut NVIDIA costs. That's going to be weird. US stocks look to end week on a high note as NVIDIA leads mega caps higher in pre-market ahead of inflation. Asia, ex-Japan, and Europe markets advance, gold gains. Global market today. Bloomberg reports Apple to adopt voluntary AI safeguards. Former President Barack Obama and former First Lady Michelle endorse Kamala. Alright, well, that's the news. Today's news this morning. Well, that's a nice wick. Wonder where we're going to go from here. Yeah, I know I'm quiet. I'm always quiet. I'm just watching. I have nothing to say until I can say it. I'm going to mute you. And we're just waiting to see where the market's going. See which way. We got a big wick. That's a huge wick. But we're fighting that moving average right there. Until we know where it's going, I'm going to mute you. Let you know what I'm doing as I'm doing it. It's a nice big wick down and back up. So we're getting the 547 calls ready. 547 calls. We're still within the first 15 minutes, so we're waiting. That was a huge wick up. So we might break on the next one, hopefully with higher volume. That was a pretty big volume candle in itself. But that came down and went back up. Alright, let's see where it goes. We gotta fight that moving average. See if we can't get higher volume. That was a lot of volume though. I don't know if we're gonna get higher volume out of that one. It's a huge wick on that first candle, but we're fighting that moving average there. And the top of my box. We have lower volume, slow volume. We're just gonna keep watching. Not sure where it's gonna go. If it doesn't reverse and come back up and get higher volume, I think we're gonna hit the pre-market high and then drop. So we're fighting VWAP. It wants to break through VWAP. Kind of hoping it does. We have this big jump from 538.41 all the way up to the bottom of our box. 538.41. I'll mark that with another box. So like this. Hit that. 538.41. Hit OK. Excuse me. So this will go from here. So we got a gap fill from there to there, or what they call a gap fill, because we're up pre-market. So what sometimes happens is people are going to take profits all the way down. And if that were to happen, That'd be cool. Right now we're fighting that VWAP. We're under a bunch of moving averages, and we're fighting VWAP. And then we got this moving average cloud here to get through, which is like the 100 and 200, something like that, moving averages. Look at that. Look at it go. All the way back down. Retest, and then drop. That wasn't higher volume, but it changes our volume height. So we got the volume height on this one. Hey, that's cool. It's lined up. So now we don't need to break that volume. Wick, 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 and then drop. That's a nice wick. Up through it, rejected, come through. Let's get down below VWAP. If we can break this, that would be awesome, this candle. 3 minutes left. If we could break that with higher volume on this right here, then we can get a retest at the bottom of the box, and then a drop. I'm not sure about this though. We got this pivot, which actually looks pretty strong. So it goes over here, pivot, hit it here too, broke out, retested it, went up. So that pivot looks pretty strong. We'll see how, it's been on volume, but it looks like we're going back up anyway. 2 minutes left. Alright, that's a nice wick. Back below VWAP. Now we need to just drop from here. 40 seconds left. We drop through that resistance. Get below the box on this candle with, well, we need more volume. still looking at puts. I have I have calls ready. Good thing I looked. I need to look for puts. So we're going to look at the 537.50 puts. I'll get the 537.50 puts ready. Alright, retest and push down. I'm letting you know I'm still here. Just waiting. It's a game of patience. Just wait. So we're going sideways. We might not get a trade today. It's already 10 o'clock. We have no direction. Although I do want to go down. Oh, yeah. If we do break down, We have this whole zone here that could be filled and then bounce back up. Could bounce back up, or it could roll right through there. That's why I was kind of hoping for puts. 16 seconds left, but it looks like we might be going for calls. So we're back up again. We don't have any direction as of yet. And we might be breaking. Okay, so if we break the top. No, it just dropped. Holy crap, on the very next candle. There's a huge wick up. We did not break. There's not higher volume. We do nothing. There's no momentum. So all these moving averages are binding together here. Looks like we're breaking the top of our box. Okay, we broke. We need that volume though. If we don't get higher volume, then we wait. We broke. There we go. Pre-market high. Pre-market high sitting at 543.83. So 543.83. So that's 84. That's around there. So we're approaching a pre-market high. Looks like we have higher volume. We did break with higher volume. Hit pre-market high. We need to come down for the retest. I'm going to get calls ready. Alright. 547. 547. Yeah, if it pulls back. Look at the 547 calls. 0 days. We need to pull back. We broke pre-market high. Change it. We're going to go to 548 calls. 548 calls. Well, unless it pulls all the way back. That'd be really funny if it pulled all the way back down. We just rejected off the pre-market high. We need to break that pre-market high. We have higher volume. We broke through. Now we need the retest. 2 minutes left of this candle. It could retest on this candle, come all the way down, come all the way back up. Playing with that pre-market high. Alright, so we got the 548 calls. Minute and a half left. Alright, we're rejecting pre-market high. We need to come down, retest the box. When it pulls back up, we'll buy back in. Well, not back. 10 seconds. Well, if we're above the pre-market high. Oh, we'll wait. Let's see what the candle says. Or below it. 30 seconds left. Yeah, I don't know. That wick is huge. Yeah, I'm not getting in here. We're not going to get in here. That wick's too big. That is a huge wick. Not going to do it. Yeah, we have high volume, but we rejected with that high volume. That was a huge reject. High volume, a lot higher volume, but we rejected right off of that. So we're going to keep waiting. We might hit this, we might go up, but I'm not getting in. We might fall all the way back down through it again. Here we go. Let's see if it'll drop all the way down. That's a lot of volume to fight against, though. So we're retesting the moving averages. I don't know if it's going to break down. And here we go. And it's dropping. Got all that resistance there. Coming up to the VWAP. Hit the VWAP. See if we can break through the VWAP. Bouncing off of VWAP. It's an engulfing candle. Dropping. Yeah. Good thing we didn't get in. It'd be crazy if this thing wicks all the way back up. If it wicks all the way back up, I think we might do some calls. It's got to wick all the way back up. Fighting that average. If it wicks back up, we will get into calls. I'll consider that the retest. It went all the way down to VWAP. I guess we could have played VWAP. Some people do that. If it hits VWAP, wait for the reversal. 2 minutes left. Coming right back down to VWAP. Just trying to break through VWAP. Man, go, 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 go. Drop, drop. It'd be awesome if it dropped through the bottom. And then we retest. There we go. So I have a pivot on my thinkorswim. It's sitting at 541.98. Let's put that on there real quick. 541.98. There's a pivot on my thing there. And right below that is a 200 and 100 moving averages. But in the next 40 seconds, if we get a huge wick up, we'll get into calls. Which I still have the 548 calls. But no, I don't think we're going to go back up. We could. I mean, I've seen it happen before. 20 seconds left. Right under open. Three, two, one. See if we'll retest that VWAP and come back down. Now it's retesting the bottom of that moving average. Alright, so our volume line is now going to be here. Come up, retest, come back down. That is huge volume though. Retest, come down. So we're gonna see what happens. I want to get puts ready. However, if we engulf that, if we go all the way back up and we engulf that, we'll be looking at calls again. Alright, I'm gonna put you on mute while we wait. back down. If we come back down, we'll get the puts ready. We have 15 seconds left. We're above VWAP, so we're still just sideways. We need to drop. Hopefully that makes that candle red. If we get that candle red, well, it's not going to be 2 seconds. There we go. Bouncing off of VWAP. Yeah, we have no direction. It's getting late. It's 10:15. I haven't made a trade yet. So unless things start moving, we're gonna get off. It's better not to lose anything. Don't chance it. It's not moving. Don't chance it. Way slow day today. So we've made a new top. We're gonna have to break if we go up. Made a new top right here. So we have to break that and retest it with volume in order for us to get in. That is our new top. If we don't break that retest, we don't get in. But then we still have that pre-market high to get through. Now we're wicking back down. Sorry about that. Thought I was on. Thought I was muted. Try to mute it when I cough. There we go. Let's wick back down. So we're getting a lot of these wicks, but it's not moving. There's no momentum. I'm still hoping for that drop. So we can get an end of the day sell off, maybe. No, hopefully it opens before the end of the day. I'll be out before the end of the day. I'd like to pull all that back in. We can drop all the way back through that. That's what, a couple bucks? Let's see. Right here. From here to here. $3. $3. It's a $3 drop. We do have to get past that. We have to get through that. We have to drop, retest, and drop. And that's nice wick here and here. Still low volume. There's no. It's too choppy. Can't get in. It's almost 10:30. I like to get out by now. I haven't even got in yet. And that still makes me wonder if we're going to get an end of, if the end of the day we're going to get a big move. Right now, the market makers just taking retail money. So we keep coming up, we're breaking, we come back, we wick back down. Looking at the secondary market, just there's not a lot of movement. And well, here we go. Let's see if we get it here. We broke what I said I wanted to break. Now we have to come back down to retest this. We have higher volume. We did break out with higher volume. We're hitting that pre-market high again. We're going to dump. Alright, we have broke out with volume. Now we need to pull back, come back down to here and come back up. And then we can get in. Let's get the calls ready, just in case. Alright, so we're looking at the 547 calls. Chart. Clicky, clicky. Pasty, paste. Alright. Yeah, I want it to pull back a little bit. I don't want to jump in there. It's right at that pre-market high. We need it to come down and back up. If it stalls there, and it doesn't pull back and go up, it's probably going to drop. It's fighting that pre-market. It didn't pull back at all. We're above the pre-market. Yeah, I'm still not happy with it. Let's see if we can get a retest of pre-market. And then a pull back up. Yeah, we're going up. So we broke that pre-market with volume. That's good. So now we need to pull back to the pre-market. And then we can get back into calls. Alright, change it to the 548 calls. Alright, let's see if we can get a retouch. I want a retouch and then a backup. We still have 2 minutes left, 2.5 minutes. broke out. I know it went up, but we gotta wait. We gotta be patient. This broke out, but it never retested. Pulled back a little bit, but it never retested. Now we're broke out, higher volume. We still have to retest. We need to retest and come back up. We also got this moving average here that is being fussy. It's going to get in the way. Oh, that would be really cool. It'd be really cool if it came all the way back down and we get a red. If it comes all the way back down and turns red, we're going to get the puts out. 30 seconds left. Yeah, that wick's too big, even if it retests now. That wick is too big. We've rejected too far. We're rejected with huge volume. Alright, going back to the put side. Let's see. Do 538 puts, or should I do 539 puts? Do the 540 puts. Yeah, look at that. Oh, wow. We're going to come up and retest. Retest, pull back down. Buying the 540 puts right here. Oh, wait. It went up too high, too quickly. I can't. It's dropping. Dang it, I missed it. So we're going to have to go to the 539. Let's copy that chart. Yeah, we missed that big drop. Paste. We missed that huge drop. We did a retest it and it came down. That's alright. We'll get another chance. Playing with VWAP again. Yeah, it would have been nice to get in that. That would have been a nice fat candle to be in. Man, look at that go. We got like $1 drop out of it. Let's look at it. High was 543, low was 542.74. Yeah, that was more than $1 drop. That would have been a nice big payday on that one. But we're fighting VWAP. We got to drop through VWAP. Man, if I would only got in. There we go. Let's see if we'll break out the other side. Yeah, if we would have got in that one, that would have been great. Keep going down. Don't stop there. Keep going. Yeah, if we can break all the way through the bottom. We got that stupid pivot there, though. I don't know, maybe we will take it back at that whole box. Man, I could have been out. If I would have got in, I should have been quicker on that. Should have been quicker on that. It went up and retested and it dropped too fast. You don't chase it. Keep going. Come on, get through there. Come on. Bouncing off that pivot. gosh, is it going to pull it all the way back up? I have 1 minute left. 30 seconds. Oh, that would be awesome if we got higher volume and it breaks the bottom. Come on. We gotta get to that pivot. There we go. Retesting. Alright, so we got puts ready. We're at the 537 puts. We got the bottom of the box. The previous day's open and the pre-market low is all right there. And then we have a pivot below that right here. So it looks like we hit that. We can break down. We see what it does. Yeah, we engulfed the whole day. That's crazy. I was hoping it'd make it a little bit farther. I wonder if we're going to come back. If we come back up and retest the open, and we wick right back down to red candle. Even if we're inside that box we're going to buy. I don't know. Maybe we should buy or hit VWAP. It likes to wick off of VWAP. Nope, coming right back down. Good. Alright, so I have the 537.50 puts. Waiting on that to come back down. Need a big wick, come down. It'd be awesome if it'd be down below here. Yeah, if it takes it all back, that's going to be crazy. That was a huge drop. Come back up to VWAP. Wick back down. Get back below here. Turn red. And we'll jump on puts. 537.50 puts. That's where we're at right now. Come on, wick, 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 wick. It's a nice wick. 2 minutes left. I don't know if that's going to continue. 1 minute left. Well, actually, what is it? 40 seconds left. See where it goes from here. We're almost a higher volume. And it's just been sitting. I still want to see it get below that line and give us a red candle, because this is the retest. Now we need to go back down. So if all the shorts will stop taking profit and start shorting again. Pull it back down. Come on. Nope. Still nothing. Yeah, we're just fighting it. I'm not sure we're going to get a chance to trade today. We'll see. So our volume has changed from where it is here to here. We're bouncing off that pivot. And it's like we're making another top here. Maybe we'll hit that and come back down. I don't know. Nothing shows. There's nothing so far. I don't like being in market this late in the day. Yeah, I know. It's only been open for an hour. I understand that. But the closer we get to 12 o'clock, the faster theta kills you. Alright, so now we're looking for it to break the bottom of the orb, break the box, retest the box. So hoping it'd break the pivot here, retest the pivot. This would have been the retest and would have came back down. Then we could have got into puts here. But no. Alright, we're retesting VWAP. And then hopefully pull back down. And now we have to break the bottom of the box, the pre-market low and the previous day's open. Man, if we would have got in on that candle, this candle right here, that retest, I tried to get in here and it dropped too quick. We would have got in there, that would have been it for the day. That would have been our trade. That was a huge wick. Alright, that's a good sign for puts. Retest the top, come back down, but we still gotta break this. It would have been a lot better if we would have come down and broke down right here. Ah, we missed that one trade. That's poop. Missed that one trade. We would have been done. Alright, guys. Like, it's already almost 11. We had that one chance to get in. I missed it. I'm sure there'll be another chance to get in, but this huge wick right here and this retest, it fell too quick. Before I could get in, it fell too quick. But that would have been our one good trade for the day. Now, unless this goes, that'd be funny if this broke through right here. I'm just about to sign off. Like 7 minutes, 6 minutes left of the until 11. I'll stick in around for another 2 candles, but I think we're going to be getting off. It's slowing down too much. I got things I got to do. Now, if you got in on this candle here, when I said we're going to buy here, if you were able to get in on that candle, man, that would have been a nice profit right there. Put it in the description, put it in the comments. If you made this, if you made any money on that, put it in the comments, because that was awesome. But right now we're going sideways again. We have no signals whatsoever. I mean, we're below all these moving averages, and it's got to fight through all those moving averages. But we still have resistance below it. There's this. There's a few things on my Thinkorswim platform that are right through here at 200 and the 100 moving average pivot, and another what is it, support level. That's like right underneath this. There's a support level right here that bounced off here, bounced off here. Looks like we're going back up again. But it's always better to leave, and it's better to not make money than to lose money, right? I hate that. This just tells me nothing. We get that. And it's going back up. Look at that. Even that higher volume wick going up. Yep, after this candle, if it doesn't give us a signal, like this has to either blow up with volume, or it needs to break down with volume. If it does neither, we're going to stop the broadcast. This would have been our one trade. But we missed it. Like they say, don't try to catch a falling knife. So this would have been our falling knife. If we would have got in, that would have been awesome. We would have made probably 30% on that big huge drop. Maybe more, who knows? I probably would have got out before that. But in order for us to get back in, this has to come down, or we're done. Yeah, it would have been nice to hit that. Nothing. 3 minutes left of this candle. Minute and a half left. Okay, if we're going to break that, we need to break through both of these, and we have to have volume. So our volume's getting close. We have a minute left. We have broke the top of the box. We got to break all the way up here. We need to go. It's that huge wick right here. We rejected hard. Hey, maybe we'll get a hard rejection here. 50 seconds. If we get another big fat wick and then turn red, like this one did up here. Big fat wick, turn red. Big long, well, it's long, not fat. Oh, there we go. It's breaking up above that. Alright, so let's look at what kind of calls we can get into. 547 calls. Oh, we broke through, but it's lower volume. We're still lower than the breakout candle. Are we going to retest? Yeah. That would be funny if it broke down. We broke through with no volume, though. We did break through, no volume, but now we have to get through the pre-market high and the pivot, and then today's high. We might be making a lower low here. Ooh, head and shoulders. Oh yeah, if we stop here and come back down, that's a head and shoulders pattern. So head and shoulders. It's got to stay below here. And then the neckline would be this line, and then break through the bottom. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Wonder if it's going to come back up here and reject again. If it does, oh yeah, if it does that, if it mimics the other one, we'll get inputs. Let's reject. I would really like to see a huge up and then a huge down with volume. It's this one right here that had higher volume. It rejected with higher volume. That's what told me it was going to dump. So if we can do that again, we can reject with higher volume. So I want this to go up here. Then I want it to come right back down. Here we go. Coming right back down. Let's get below this. That's a nice wick. It's not as big as I wanted it. I'm looking for that head and shoulders pattern. down, bring it down. Yeah, it's tricking us again. I'm going to be done here pretty soon. There's no setups. There's no setups. There's always Monday. Doesn't matter. And I don't think that's a wick enough to short it right now. Alright, we're done. I'm done. I'm going to keep watching it. I always have it on, but we're going nowhere. It's already 11 o'clock. We're fighting that pre-market high. And probably going to reject again. Maybe. If we do, I mean, maybe we'll break through. Maybe we won't, but I'm done. Hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys made money on that first trade. I didn't get that trade. But we'll talk again Monday if it's not a holiday. Hope it's not a holiday. But here I go. Goodbye.